Hi, I'm Laura Craig from Network Rail. We're at Shields Road, where over the course of the weekend we've been demolishing the road bridge behind us. We're about 50% through our programme of works now. We're clearing away the last of the rubble and getting the track cleared, and then we're going to reinstate the overhead lines for trains running in the morning.
Hi, I'm Rod Hendry. I'm a construction manager with Network Rail. The bridge is now down, and now all that remains is to get the overhead wires back up in readiness for the trains to run again on Monday morning.